This is the Dallas Morning News. It's Wednesday, November 19th. It will be cloudy, warm, and humid today with a high of 85. Now, almost no rain has been recorded so far in Dallas-Fort Worth for the month of November, but that looks like it's about to change as rain is expected to move into North Texas this evening, starting with the western side of the region. More widespread showers and storms are expected to develop in the late evening and overnight, with a 50 to 70% chance of precipitation for most of the region. Rain is expected to continue for much of Thursday. In total, most areas are expected to receive 1 to 2 inches of precipitation. Some areas may also experience isolated flooding. Rain chances are expected to fall early Friday morning as the storms exit the region. The temperature should also fall with the rain, dropping from the record-breaking upper 80s at the start of the week to 74 Thursday and 66 by Saturday. Here are today's headlines. A federal judge ruled Tuesday to temporarily block a new Texas law requiring schools to display the Ten Commandments in classrooms, marking the second time a court has found Senate Bill 10 to be unconstitutional. U.S. District Judge Orlando Garcia of the Western District of Texas in San Antonio agreed with a group of multi-faith and non-religious families that the state law violates the First Amendment's Establishment Clause, which prohibits the government from establishing a religion and ensures the separation of church and state. The new law took effect September 1st and has faced a number of legal challenges. In an August ruling, U.S. District Judge Fred Beery of the Western District of Texas in San Antonio temporarily prohibited 11 school districts, including Plano ISD, from displaying the Ten Commandments, saying the state law interferes with children's religious education and sends a harmful message. The 14 school districts named in Tuesday's ruling, many of which are in North Texas, must remove any Ten Commandments posters that are currently displayed by December 1st. Those North Texas districts include Fort Worth, Arlington, McKinney, Frisco, Northwest, Azle, Rockwall, Lovejoy, and Mansfield. Dallas ISD is not named in any of the lawsuits. In other news, a federal panel on Tuesday issued a preliminary injunction against Texas's revised congressional map. If the order stands, candidates would run for Congress in the 2026 midterm elections under the previous boundaries. In the 160-page ruling, U.S. District Judge Jeffrey Brown said the map approved by the Republican-controlled legislature this summer was racially gerrymandered and the plaintiffs against it could prevail in their legal challenge. He wrote, "The public perception of this case is that it's about politics. To be sure, politics played a role in drawing the 2025 map, but it was much more than just politics. Substantial evidence shows that Texas racially gerrymandered the 2025 map." Texas Governor Greg Abbott decried the ruling. Texas officials have notified the court they plan to appeal. Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton, whose office defended the map at the federal hearing, confirmed Tuesday he would appeal the ruling to the U.S. Supreme Court. Next up, the Dallas Stars submitted new court filings in their ongoing legal battle with the Dallas Mavericks on Tuesday, accusing the Mavericks of violating their own franchise agreement with the city of Dallas. The Stars submitted a motion in Texas Business Court to amend the original counterclaim they filed against the Mavericks on October 28th, while also filing a motion to reopen their bankruptcy case from 2011. The team's attorney, Joshua Sandler of Winstead PC, says in that case, the Mavericks and the city of Dallas were both made aware the Stars' headquarters were in Frisco and had a chance to object a decade ago during the bankruptcy restructuring plan. And because they did not, they cannot object now. In the amendment to the counterclaim, the Stars say the Mavericks violated their franchise agreement with the city of Dallas when they changed their principal location to Las Vegas in 2024 during Mark Cuban's sale of the team to Miriam Adelson and the Dumont family. And meteorologist Brittany Rainey announced Tuesday that she was working her last morning show for CBS News Texas and planned to leave to start a new chapter. With her last morning show behind her, Rainey said she'll be on the air from 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. for the rest of her final week at CBS News Texas. It is unclear what her next move will be. Rainey, a Tampa native, earned a bachelor's in meteorology and a minor in mathematics from Florida State University. Before coming to North Texas, she worked for 3 years in Tulsa, covering all kinds of severe weather. Thanks for listening. For more on today's stories and the latest breaking news, visit dallasnews.com. Enjoy your day, and I'll be back tomorrow with more from the Dallas Morning News.